In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to fix the Windows installer issue with the Visual Studio 2013 redistributable pack. And this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up a notepad file. So just head over to the start menu, type in notepad. You want to open up the notepad, should be one of the best results. Now I'm going to have something in the description of the video that I want you to paste in here. Only paste what I show on the screen here, so it should begin with echo off and then end with pause. So again, add echo off, end with pause. Once you have it as it appears on my screen, you want to go up and left click on the File tab. Left click on Save As. So now you want to save this somewhere that's easily retrievable, so preferably probably like the desktop. Name this file whatever you want, so you can just call it fix. And then it's really important, you want to add a .bat at the end, and then left click on save. Again, make sure save as type text documents is selected and encoding is set to ANSI. Left click on save. You can close out of here. Now we have our batch file that we created on our desktop. You want to right click on it, left click on run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, left click on yes. And now press any key to continue, so just click the key on your keyboard. It's going to run through a couple of different Windows Update troubleshooting steps that it's going to follow right here. So hopefully this should be able to resolve your issue without too much of a hassle. It's really a nice little batch file that was created, so just be patient. This will take a couple minutes to run more than likely, and we're just going to keep it up on the screen so you guys can get a feel for how long this process will take. Okay, so once it's finished, just tap a key to continue. I would recommend restarting your computer. Hopefully that's resolved your issue at this point. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.